Forget skyscrapers and bustling cities. Mongolia throws you headfirst into a world of boundless steppes, nomadic hospitality, and a history etched in legend. It's a place where the only traffic jam you'll find is a herd of cashmere goats crossing the road, and the star-filled sky becomes your nightly entertainment. Trust me, this isn't your average vacation. This is Mongolia, and it's ready to blow your mind. Now I know what you're thinking. Mongolia? Really? But listen up, because this place is the definition of off-the-beaten-path adventure. We're talking about a country where you can ride horses alongside nomadic herders, sleep under a sky bursting with more stars than you thought possible, and experience a culture so different from your own, it'll leave you speechless. In a good way, of course. Mongolia is the real deal, folks. It's raw, it's untamed, and it's waiting to show you what true adventure tastes like. So, buckle up, ditch your expectations, and get ready to experience a country that's as surprising as it is unforgettable. One of the most captivating aspects of Mongolia is its nomadic culture, a way of life deeply intertwined with the land. Imagine waking up in a traditional jur, a circular felt dwelling that's been home to nomadic families for centuries. As the sun paints the vast steppe in hues of gold and crimson, you'll understand the true meaning of freedom and connection with nature. Spending time with a nomadic family is an experience like no other. You'll be welcomed into their jur, sharing meals, stories, and laughter. Learn the art of making arag, the traditional fermented mare's milk, try your hand at archery, and witness the incredible bond between the nomads and their animals, particularly horses. These hardy creatures are essential to the nomadic way of life, and riding across the rolling hills on horseback is an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. Embrace the rhythm of the nomadic lifestyle, even if just for a few days, and you'll gain a profound appreciation for the simplicity and beauty of life on the move. Prepare to be humbled by the sheer vastness of Mongolia's landscapes. Picture endless stretches of rolling steppes, where the horizon seems to stretch on forever. Imagine towering sand dunes, sculpted by the wind into otherworldly formations. Then there are the snow-capped mountains, their peaks piercing the clouds, and crystal-clear lakes reflecting the azure sky. Mongolia is a land of dramatic contrasts, a place where you can lose yourself in the immensity of nature and find a sense of peace that's hard to come by elsewhere. Go hiking in the Altai Mountains, home to the Kazakh eagle hunters, explore the eerie beauty of the Gobi Desert, or camp beside the shimmering waters of Lake Kovskol, known as the Dark Blue Pearl. Each region of Mongolia offers a unique perspective on the country's natural splendor. Section 4. Cultural Immersion, Traditions and Hospitality. Mongolian hospitality is legendary. You'll be greeted with open arms and warm smiles wherever you go. Don't be surprised if you're invited to share a meal or a cup of sute tsai, the traditional salty milk tea, with a local family. It's a gesture of warmth and welcome that embodies the spirit of the Mongolian people. Take the time to immerse yourself in the local culture. Attend a Naadam festival, the country's biggest sporting event, and witness the 3 games of men wrestling, archery, and horse racing. Visit ancient monasteries, learn about the legacy of Genghis Khan, and discover the intricate art of throat singing. From the bustling capital city of Ulaanbaatar to the remote villages scattered across the steppe, Mongolia offers a rich tapestry of cultural experiences waiting to be explored. Embrace the unfamiliar, engage with the locals, and you'll discover a side of Mongolia that goes beyond the tourist trail. Section 5. Culinary Delights, a Gastronomic Adventure. Mongolian cuisine might not be what you expect, but trust me, it's an adventure for your taste buds. While meat, particularly mutton, features prominently in many dishes, there are vegetarian options available too. Be sure to sample booze, steamed dumplings filled with meat or vegetables, and kushur, a type of fried pastry similar to a samosa. Don't miss out on trying arag, the fermented mare's milk that's a staple in the nomadic diet. It might take some getting used to, but it's a refreshing and unique drink that's deeply ingrained in Mongolian culture. And for those with a sweet tooth, there are plenty of dairy products like yogurt and cheeses to satisfy your cravings. Food in Mongolia is all about fresh local ingredients and traditional cooking methods. Whether you're dining in a jur with a nomadic family or enjoying a meal at a restaurant in Ulaanbaatar, you're in for a culinary experience that's as authentic as it is delicious. Section 6. Your Mongolian adventure awaits. So, what are you waiting for? Mongolia is calling, and it's time to answer the call of the wild. This is a country that will challenge your perceptions, ignite your sense of adventure, and leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. Pack your bags, book your flight, and get ready to experience the magic of Mongolia. Trust me, this is a journey you won't soon forget.